Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is a manual of why we need such a ruler with Y and X position to display inside programs. Very useful for different things, but for example in this case we show the use of it and useful feature of it for PDF editing. And we have, for example, large documents, and we don't have too much time to lose our time, and want to make a job more or less precisely. So here in this case we need to change number pages from the right to the left and from the left to the right on other pages. So I remove this one. Here I paste the page, I increase, and as you see it gives me fast, precise correction. Now I move the cell to more or less this position, and now it is aligned with the phrase in the middle. So you see that's what we need also. We can use this to joke, to make plays with words lines, with sentences lines, to align, to understand. You see what we see, to make things more precisely. Also vertical lines very useful. For example, here as you see paragraphs we have with numbers, and we can check out more or less if they are more or less aligned or not. So very useful thing it is. If you know some other programs for mouse pointer that have this one or other features besides, indicate this in comments. So this program is called so to activate this is the hotkey Windows Alt plus P. So now it is off. Again Windows Alt plus P. Now it is on. But before that you need to activate it in menu with this circle. You see if the circle is off, hotkey doesn't work, so you need to activate it, and now you can use hotkey to activate or to deactivate. So glorify the God forever, very useful thing.